Hi, good morning. So today we are going to take a live, live telecast of our strategy. See, and now 76,400 call option, which is trading at 490, 492. This is our pick for day, and this target will be at least 100 points. And so in case of 100 points down also, we need to add one more lot. So this is our strategy. This is going to sure hit target for today. Now you see our option price has moved, now trading at 555, 551, and I think now we'll see the target hit, right, 600 as our target, and we can see that it may go upside also higher than 600. But our design we have done is for 100 points only. Now see 566, 570. Let us wait for the target which will come. $578. So another 20 points, 590, 600, 600 target has done, and we may see even higher also. It's not that we stop it, but as per our strategy, we need to pick 100 points every day in sensex options. So this is how we have done. Okay, and higher we don't know, we can't expect exactly how much it goes. Anyways, we'll wait and see. Upside also. Our option, which is now trading at 640, actually made a high of 686. You can see the chart here above 680, you see. So 686 is the high, and so this is the power of learning the technical analysis and price action also, right? So right, for today our trade is completed. We don't trade, so I will post you real trade account also, which we have taken in Zerodha, right? Now it is trading 657, 660. Okay, let us stop this video for today.